Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case on sedition law, section 124A of the Indian Penal Code, and coupled with some other sections also. So this case has been filed against a famous writer by name Shikha Sharma. She is working in All India Radio, Dispur of Assam state. That's why I have been telling you that don't post unnecessary comments or abusive comments on the social media. They may lead you into trouble. Even though Supreme Court says that strongly worded content they cannot come under sedition, but definitely there is a scope for registration of the case. It happened in case of this woman by name Shikha Sharma. Right. Now let's know what happened. She was arrested on 6/4/2021 since she posted some material on the Facebook regarding the incident in Chhattisgarh near Bijapur where 23 Jawans they have been involved, they have been killed in the encounter with Naxalites, and one person by name Rakesh Kumar Singh, he was kidnapped by them. Incidentally, last night he was released from the custody of the so-called Maoist people. Definitely, it is a condemnable attack on the police department and we should deprecate the same. We have to show our solidarity toward the so-called Sipais or Jawans of CR. Right. So, what she posted is salaried professionals who die in line of duty cannot be treated martyrs. Going by that logic, if an electricity department worker dies out of electrocution, he should also be labeled as martyr. So do not make people's sentiment media like that. She has written. So definitely it will send shockwaves. So an electrician dying in duty and a Sipai or a Jawan or CRPF personnel dying in the discharge of duty in the hands of the Naxalites is totally uncomparable. So therefore, two advocates by names Uma Deva Burma and Kangana Goswami. So they have given a written complaint against this Shikha Sharma, alleging that this is utter disrepute to the honor of our soldiers, and such distasteful remarks not only reduce the unparalleled sacrifice of our Jawans to a mere so-called money-making discourse. So they wanted strict action. Here you may have understood the sum and substance of the report. They say that by giving or by posting such remarks that they are also employed, what for they are doing for money, not for the sales. But no, you see, they are working for the sake of the country. They are working for the sake of the country. They are coming, they are in the front line. They are attacking the Naxalites. Sometimes they are being killed. So definitely we have to support them. But it is not these comments, definitely. Of course, as a retired police officer, I also feel bad. But anyway, let us go in a legal way. So they wanted strict action. Therefore, the case in crime number 120A/2021 under sections 294A IPC. So you all know this is for posting obscene or unnecessary or inflammatory comments creating differences between caste, religion and like that. Second is 500. So defamation, defaming the soldiers. 506 criminal intimidation. So threatening the general public or threatening the media. Read with section 45 of the Information Technology Act. So section 45 of the Information Technology is the only residuary penalty. Suppose there is a penal section under section 43 which says that if you gain access into others' computers, if you destroy others' computers, if you steal any material from other computer and if you use it for some other purpose, normally you will be imposed some fine. If anything does not come in that particular section 43, normally 45 will come into existence. It is a residual penalty. and one can be fined up to 25,000, I believe. Right? This is section 45. Now they have taken advantage of this section. Right? Please remember now the legal position. Previously, the Supreme Court, in the case of Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar, ruled that sedition is constituted by writers or spoken words. So, by writings or spoken words, which have the effect of bringing contempt. Number one. So, the words or the spoken words or the writing should have the effect of getting contempt against the state, or it is dissatisfaction against the government, or the idea of subverting the democratically elected government by violent methods. So the reaction should be like that. They should have contempt, they should have, the immediate effect should be to make the government fall down or to subvert the government. So the speeches should be like that. But not the comments, however strongly worded. The comments, even though they are strongly worded, they do not have the tendency of, if they do not have the tendency of violence, definitely they cannot be treated as sedition. Of course, this is a judgment. So, this is all decided at the time of trial, not now. But anyway, this woman has been arrested. Of course, she is also alleging that so many people have threatened her. She has got life threat. Even though she reported the matter to the Dispur police, this was registered in the Dispur. So they did not take any action. They take action only on her comments, which she has got the freedom of press already. She is working on All India Radio. She knows about the freedom of press. Anyway, these are the examples of the cases where you can be involved. So that's why I am please warn your clients, so not to utilize the social media in this particular platform. So definitely you will be troubled. That for that purpose only I am making this video. Right? Thank you very much.